So today I'm gonna start vlogging to see how my journey, zero waste journey is going. So what I'm gonna try to do is not use any waste for a week, and I already know it's gonna be very challenging, so yeah. So if I want to do this zero waste thing, I know that I should plan in advance. Organization is very important, and that's why I am organizing everything that I need to bring. Even though I do bring these things, occasionally are some of the things that I bring every day, because I'm conscious of the environment and I try to, you know, not contribute to this hell of plastic and of garbage. So yeah, this is what I'm working with so far. Si tú me llamas, nos vamos pa tu casa. In pijama, in pijama. So if you watched my video on zero waste, you already know what I'm gonna say. These bags are actually very useful, and you can use them for fruits, veggies. I use this one for bread or anything that, you know, has crumbs. So I love these. I bring them every day. They're always in my bag. Then this one it's my new water bottle. I'm very proud of it. I actually bought it at TK Maxx. People who know what TK Maxx is, it's a really good store. You can find cheap stuff and that are actually of a good quality. So I bought this one for 10 euros. I know it sounds like a lot, but if you go on Amazon, they're more expensive. And obviously if you choose a plastic one, then you know you would pay less, definitely. But I did not want plastic. This one is, I don't know what this is. It's metal. I don't know what the material is. I have no idea. You know, my handkerchief, I'm not even gonna show you because I've used it already. Again, it's always in my bag. I always put it at the front. There's this little pocket, and just so that I'm sure that it's there, because for some reason my nose is constantly leaking, so to say. This thing is something that I don't bring often or at all, and I chose to bring it today because today I'm actually going to meet with some of my friends, and we're going to go for a drink, and I don't want anyone to, you know, push a plastic straw in my drink. So I don't think I'm gonna be buying anything that needs a straw, but still, you know, just in case, whatever. And again, I'm gonna use this bag. I always bring one of these bags. They're very convenient, and you know, they don't weigh anything. Just put it in your bag, it's fine. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that I'm working with today. So let's get started. Let's see. I was just thinking, the winter is nearing, and I love drinking tea. I'm not a black or green tea lover. I'm an herb tea lover, or infusion, however you want to say it. And I love it, and I don't think I can drink tea right now because even though if you use these bags, which are, most of them are not compostable, so it's something you have to check. I signed up for a week of no trash whatsoever, except for biomüll, which is just, you know, fruits and veggies and nothing else. So yeah, one of the things that you can do here, at least in Germany, is you could take fresh mint. This is something that I will do, but yeah, I think it's a bit difficult if you want to be zero waste, and you know, tea is good, so you can't really drink it, and that necessarily means throwing out trash and throwing out that paper that they use. So even though it's compostable, still it's trash. So I've survived the first day. I have to say that there are several things that I had to implement. Sometimes it happened that I completely forgot that I tried zero waste. What happened, I had to clarify that I actually am using paper, toilet paper for, you know, when I go to the bathroom, but I try to use a minimal amount. When I mean minimal, I mean really minimal, and especially for number 2. So that's something that I am trying to do. But then when I go and wash my hands at work, then we don't really have this machine, drying machine, but we use paper. So I haven't used anything from there, which I'm really happy about. When I went to eat and I went to Mensa, that's why I didn't use any waste. And I ate everything, so that means that I also didn't throw away any food. So there I used my handkerchief in case I needed to wipe something off. So that was also good. So I was like, pretty good, you know, so far so good. You haven't really used anything. Oh, I have to show you. so I bought bread and it's in this bag right here, so that's really useful. And I told you that these bags are really good for pastries. Well, not really the oily ones, but for pastries, yeah. But then something had to happen, of course, and I went to some cafe and I ordered tortilla chips with dip, with salsa dip, and they gave me in a plastic plate, whatever, and I had to throw it away. That was one thing. And then when I came home, I got a package of something that I ordered, which I completely forgot about, and now I have this over here. Okay, at least it's paper. It's not plastic, but still, it's waste. So yeah. So far, that's my first day, and tomorrow I'm gonna go grocery shopping. So let's see how I'm gonna deal with that. Have a good night. Bye. So I pride myself being a zero waste person, but apparently I failed again. So I went and brought these little bags, and as you can see, I had an accident. So yeah, these are tomatoes, and one of them was not very nice, so it broke and it got all over my other stuff, but it's fine. I will wash them today. The important thing is that you have to wash them only up to 30 degrees, so don't wash them like, you know, at 40, 90, whatever. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm not gonna do it. So I got some apples, I got my lemon, and then I got peppermint, and I was like, yay, I love fresh peppermint, as you already know. Yeah, but I got a rubber band with it. Like, why? Why? I understand that they have to separate it, but damn it, you can't do anything right. And then this is what I usually do. I just go and, you know, got my goji berries, that's my phone, got my chia seeds, these are this is buckwheat, and this is rice. And yeah, I got my receipt, so that's also a waste that I have to throw away. And the biggest thing is that when you go over there, you usually bring your jar, you measure it, and then you have this little tag which tells you how much it weighs. So this one is around 200 grams, and that's, again, some waste. I mean, it's useful, I get it, but still, it's waste. So yeah, this is my almost zero waste challenge. I guess that's gonna be my life, apparently. I don't know. Yeah, now I'm gonna go actually to another store and see if I'm gonna have more luck over there. The thing is that somewhere they ask you, like, if you want a receipt, they don't print it out. Sometimes, like, at some supermarkets or whatever, they're like, they have to print it out, and that's when they ask you. So yeah, I can't get away with that. What can I do? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm eating my zero waste apple and I'm happy. What the fuck? This is exactly what happens when you want to be cute, you know? Still eating my zero waste apple and I'm happy. Okay, so second attempt. No such luck. As you can see, I bought some mushrooms, and again, I have this label, whatever it is. And then I bought some pumpkin. Again, there's this little thing over here. So what I feel like, if you're an average person, and most of us are, that this is the most you can do, literally, because unless you have a crazy amount of time to spend finding places or like going to places that mostly like markets, because that's where they usually don't have any, you know, any labels or any I want to say etiquette, like what do I want to say, tag or whatever. Yeah, that's like today here you have markets only on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and today's Saturday and on Wednesdays I'm working, so I can't really go. And if you have a family, it gets even worse, right? I don't know, like I feel I know that I'm already saving a lot of waste, but it's just discouraging where you have, you know, you feel like you're giving 100% of yourself and then you still have waste. So yeah, I'm still gonna keep doing it though, but it's just, you know, it's just not cool. Okay, and this is my lunch. I love making rice, just like plain rice, no salt, nothing on the side, and then having fried veggies. And this time I use mushrooms and carrots and onions, and I just put a bit of curry, curcuma. Do you say curcuma? I don't know. And I just had some leftover veggies on the side. This is gonna last me for the lunch, and then later I'm gonna have to probably make something else. I was a bit lazy, so I didn't want to cook a lot, and I also like freshly cooked, so yeah, that's what it is. Again, no plastic involved in buying these products.